Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to create this water decal nailer design, and for that you're going to need water transfer stickers, a water container, some tweezers and scissors. First apply the base color of your choice. Now first remove the plastic cover of the stickers and cut your favorite sticker. Now dip the sticker in the water container and leave it for 20 seconds. Now take it out with the help of tweezers and slightly slide it with the finger and apply onto your nail. Now repeat the process for all of the fingers. This is the final look. I hope you like it. Okay guys, see you in the next video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.